And welcome back to the channel, guys. Gvids here. Today's video is going to be nice and short and simple. Now we're going to go over a super easy way that we can make some money with our credit cards. Now obviously we can only have this done if we have no annual fees or anything like that. So we want a free credit card, which there is lots of them and all different companies offer them. Now what we're going to want to do is called pay our bill on time. If we pay our bill on time, we don't pay any interest, and that means the credit card company does not make any money from you. That is right. So if you only use the card for things that you're gonna need, such as gas, insurance, things like that, you don't go out and go on a big old spending spree because you got yourself a credit card. Only use it for your essentials and things that you're gonna have to spend your money on anyways, things that you're going to have the money for anyways. That way you can pay it back on time and you can actually make money from your credit card just from paying it back on time. Anyways, like I said, this was not rocket science or a trick or a gimmick. Just a simple tip just to pay that damn bill on time. I know it's sometimes easier said than done, but make a good effort on doing so. Don't give that company any interest money, because half that bill you're paying is usually interest if it's overdue. So the tip is just pay the damn thing on time, and you can make a little bit of money from the credit card companies. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys found this helpful in any way. If you did, make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.